Hola mi gente, so for today is Thursday, right? Yeah, Thursday. And we're on the way to do a few things because it's my mother-in-law's birthday. It's my mother-in-law's birthday, so we're gonna go get her some balloons and a cake and sing her happy birthday. And yeah, and look at my moo. Say hi.
Cumpleaños feliz, cumpleaños feliz, cumpleaños.
Abuela,
Abuela,
mami,
abuela,
Yaya.
Yaya. Cumpleaños feliz.
So this is called a capuria. That is called relleno de papas. Hola mi gente, so today's the next day and as you can see it's raining outside. It's like 8:58 a.m. I dropped off the kids already at school and now I'm at Dollar Tree. I don't know if you guys can see, but I'm at Dollar Tree right now to finish getting the rest of the stuff. Today I'm gonna be running around like a chicken with no head. I still gotta finish cleaning up the house. And I have my little munchkin. Say hi, Mamush. You say hi. Yeah, we're gonna go to Dollar Tree. She loves going to Dollar Tree. So yeah, let's go to Dollar Tree, guys. That's cool. That's different. She is into Barbies, so now she wants a Barbie. You want 2 Barbies? Whoa, let me see the Barbies you're gonna get. Show them. You're gonna get those too? Wow. They're so cool. There's so much birthday stuff. Oh, how cool is that? Oh, this is cute. And these are a Team Bride. My son ain't gonna. Oh no, I dropped it. Let me pick this up. Look at this child. Everyone's expectant. Yeah, we're gonna keep it back. Okay, come on, this way. Hey guys, so I just left Dollar Tree and yeah, she got a baboon. So at first she was trying to get Barbies and I was okay with it, but then she saw like I have like a little rant. She saw at the the plus size, she saw like a cute little doctor set. It was $5, buckaroos. I wasn't gonna get it, but I'm like, you know what, whatever. She likes to play doctor. I'll get it for her. But then she saw the balloons, and of course she saw Paw Patrol and she wanted the balloon, so I got her the baboon. So I'm like, oh, it's cheaper than $5. It's $1.25. No, the balloons now are $1.50, so they went up 25 cents. Like, why? But yeah, that's my complaint, because I'm like, I thought this was $1.25. Oh, somebody trying to hit me back here. Look at this car. I don't know if you guys can see. It's like really close to me. Hold on, guys. Let me see if I can show you. Look at how close they are to me, guys. Like, that's not even a parking. I don't understand what the hell's going on, or what the heck is going on. Guys, I forgot to tell you. So yesterday I was gonna, speaking of balloons, I was gonna go, this is a crazy angle because like I'm driving in, yeah. So I was gonna go to, it was my mother-in-law's birthday yesterday, so I wanted to get a balloon for her, but there's only a few Dollar Trees out here. They have let's see if I put you over here, because I feel like it's a crazy angle. So there's a few Dollar Trees that only have like the helium to the balloons. So sorry that my head is like kind of cut off, because yeah, anyways, maybe I could do like this. So I don't want people to think that I'm like recording them. Anyway, so I went to a Dollar Tree and thinking that maybe they had it there, which they didn't. But guys, I'm gonna do that haul on Tuesday or Monday. But guys, oh my god, I found pajamas that I think they were from either Family Dollar, or because they have like a tag that looks like it's from Family Dollar or Dollar General, guys. But like kid pajamas, like for her. I was in a rush, so I only got like 2 pairs, but I'm gonna go back because for $1.25, heck to the yeah, because especially her that she's a little chunky, her clothes is like fitting her tight, although she just likes to sleep like in a pamper and shirt, but still, like for $1.25, heck to the yeah, I'm gonna go back and maybe grab some for my nieces and nephews, because yeah, so I had to share that because I was so excited, but I can't wait to show you like that haul on Tuesday or Monday. I promise you it'll be soon. But yeah guys, on to the vlog. Alright guys, so we decided to come to the mall. I decided to come to the mall because I wanted to get something from Five Below for my son. I had to get some Dunkin' because I'm tired. I was up since 4 o'clock in the AM because I had anxiety. You know when you have to do a party and you get anxiety? That was me. But I'm at the mall. It just opened up, so you see a lot of viejitos. I love to see like little viejitos. They make my heart happy. But yeah, hold on, this little girl's gonna run down the escalators. Come on, let's go down the escalators. Come here. Oh, you better hurry up. How you want to get on the escalator if you're scared of it? You like it? She's like obsessed, guys, with escalators. This place right here, Bellas. It's like coconut ice cream from like, it's like a Puerto Rican type thing, like coco. Oh my god, guys, it is the bomb.com, but it's closed. Come on, baby. Girl, don't be staying behind. Come on. That's how kids get robbed. You want to get robbed? You don't want to get robbed. Pep talk, guys. Pep talk. This is the Five Below, guys. Oh, you tired already? We literally just walked like 2 miles. We literally just walked like 2 steps. Hold on, I don't want to get copyrighted. What they have for $5? I gotta focus. It's not for me. It's not for me here. What is that? Are those? Oh my Jesus. How cute these pumpkins are. Oh, mira que cute. I got these. Oh, SpongeBob. It's like a candle, guys. Let's smell it. It smells good. And they got this one, this pumpkin patch. Ooh, smells good. How cute are those? You look cute. Cake. It's not a real cake, it's an actual sandwich.
Oh, jeez.
You almost blew the candle up. Go! Shh. Door's open. Joshua, I'm about to get birthday punches, bro. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy Happy birthday, Mr. President. Happy birthday to you. Ay, qué lindo. Wait, so I'll take a sip. So you can see. You don't know what we got. Even though it's from him. So he doesn't know. Dad doesn't know what we got. But it's from him. For all of us. No. Yeah, that's right. Okay. This won't be nice.
Bird. It's the only one that she's my favorite.
She saw it at the store, she was like, Bowser.
You got G Fuel?
This is not so sour punch. Punch. This one's the last one.
You got this SpongeBob sauce?
You like fun socks? I got a little pair of SpongeBob ones, so she wants to steal yours. They're gonna fit her like super up here.
Is there? I was running out of concealer.
Oh, man, you just buckled them. Bro, what? This is called a party on a budget using Dollar Tree products. So this is where the donuts are gonna be for the donut wall that I made a while back for a wedding that I had to decorate for. And then this is the little arch I made. And then the table, something simple. Here's gonna be the cupcakes. And yeah. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Joshua.